Hello everyone and welcome back Tech Hack with Nima. If you want to get more videos, it's really simple. Just hit that subscribe button and bell below so you don't miss any of our videos. Today I'm going to show you how you can get set up with OBS to record your computer screen. So OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. OBS is the most powerful and of the best screen recorders that you can get it. Most of it is open source and entirely for free. You don't have to worry about the malware, you don't have to worry about the Alice. This is my best choice screen recorder to use all the time to record my computer screen on my platforms. Well, that I'm gonna show you today is I'm gonna show you step by step how you can get it, how you can get set up, and how you start using it, and hopefully this help you to start using OBS to record your computer screen. Alright, let's get started. How to do? Okay, here I'm on my personal computer. We're gonna go to OBS. obs.project.com. That's where we can get the OBS set up. Great thing is it works Mac, it works Linux and Windows. It's depending on what platform you have. So I have a Windows PC and I would like to just go ahead and click on the Windows. So I already clicked. It will kick off a download of an exe for OBS Studio. When you successfully download, click on that file. Click on that file, the file that you already downloaded, and there will kick off the installation process. I've already gone ahead and I've installed OBS, so you don't have to sit through the whole process and wait. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do open up OBS and try if it's gonna work. So I'm going to check it works and how it works. So yeah, it's gonna work in. If you want me to make you a video how to use this app or any other apps, please let me know down below in the comments which you want. To see me more videos like this, please consider subscribing.